Hey everyone, it's Lindsay. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my paper flowers. First, we're going to go over here and click on images. In the search bar at the top, we're going to type in 3D flower. You guys can use whichever template you'd like, but for the purposes of this video and my project, I'm going to use this template. It's from the Flower Shop cartridge, and it is number M4431D. I'm going to insert that image, and then I'll go up here to size and type in 5 by 5. I will let it auto adjust itself, and I'll keep that size. I'm going to right click and duplicate this. My cardstock paper is 8.5 by 11, so I want it positioned like this. I will select both of the templates and I'll click attach to make sure it cuts just like this. Then we're ready to make it. I will set my dial to custom, click continue, and then for the material I will click view all. I'll type in cardstock. And then I will select and use cardstock for intricate cuts. I like to go over here to pressure and change it to less. I've noticed that when I use this setting, it just cuts the cardstock and won't cut through to my mat. Okay, so here are our cutout templates. I use these Cricut tweezers to roll my flowers. We're going to grab one of these templates. We're going to start from this side. And then I like to tightly roll because this is going to be the inside of your flower. I want to make sure that you don't line the slits up together. Kind of want to offset them a little bit because if you don't, then your flower will look funny. Once this starts getting a little thicker on my tweezers, I like to go ahead and just remove them. You don't have to do this. This is just what I find easiest for me. And then I hand roll them like this. Once I'm finished, I set it down and kind of let it unravel itself a little bit. I'll pick it back up and I will move this little flap out of the way. And I just use a mini hot glue gun. And I feel like I'm pretty generous with the glue. I don't want this flower to come apart. Just put some hot glue on there. And then I'll take this little circle flap and I'll put that over the glue and just hold it there to let it set. Then I flip it over and I kind of just mess with the petals a little bit to make it look like it's more bloomed, I guess. This is how I do it. You don't have to do this. It's totally optional, but this is what works best for me, and I hope this video has helped you.